6.9
Yamamu akwaba Afrika siabonu mu enchiremu enie na Ghana vo bekaya emfempim mienu ene edenu naimo ena organized labor mpanifo ede kwato abadada atwam ekachira wonamo say wanom ehia katiamu ntumunti aban se wupo se humpo yehu biribi na so bobo so mekudu baabi no Ghana man penin dada na adedankwa akufuado etumi pagya o makatiamu ntumu ede kwagina mu ohamu gichemu aduonu miensa na nsedu baabi na mu kirem se dabi ni nyina chi no wonom epe akatiantu muntimeka se no ene do yata eya ogefo bosumei ne da etaso aduonu emfempem mienu ene aduonu numu mmomode akopie mu amone aban ekokosi aginaye na mekasa se moda etimi abaga na mampenin eye John Dramani Mahama ene mpenifo asinkunwa kirem se efri neko organized labor mpenifo mate ne free se akatiantu mo no ohamu gichemu edu 10% monje fanka mode ye ho enti wa we abadwuma bia no what de bosu na kwatia ne balance no frete ya ka kira o mo se da bi sika na wonsanka enti wo kwa kwaji usika enti me kase se de Ghana man penin John Dramani Mahama ene o kirem se Ghana de hyiam ya abadwuma yefo nyina no monsaka makatia mu entum no ham gichemu edu 10% enti se de tira bosu mu we so pe mo kwaji musika mate de na tadwufo wa o se kirem se hia se akopem se afu ebeko na wiye de sika no beje ne da bia atam na nyasem kuma wamone oswafo na hwe omaga na padie so enda vizo oswafo zo hwe omaga na sika sem so enda kosi kunwa je sende mpinfo do mko hie mu no ebi ekoye engineer Benjamin atam ona ye chief executive Edema Fair Wages and Salaries Commission okopem ko ya dance danceni Edema na hye no elfin so brother Joshua Ansa ejochofo penin Edema Trade Union Congress the 20th can say TUC and watch is na honorable Dr. Abdul Rashid Hassan Pepe nso ya masebe dwani Evans no so for sure maga na ya padi esu kopie mu odwumade na sebi ekwasan ase sasa Dr. Isaac Bampo Atom otitani Edema follow mu kopie mu bim ne kwakra mo nso ana honorable Dr. Castle Atoba Forsen oyo so for no ena hwaga na sika sam su kopie mu kwasan ase bi eno ati ena so for sure maga na ya padi esu honorable Dr. Abdul Rashid Hassan Pepe the same say at the two jenkwati ansoma hodo a odo tu dwade fa ketua entimo no eho
1A of the Labor Act 2003 Act 651 the National Tripartite Committee concluded negotiations on the determination of the 2025 national daily minimum wage at a meeting held on Thursday 20th February 2025 in Accra. In determining the 2025 minimum wage, the National Tripartite Committee took into account the current economic challenges, cost of living, stability of businesses, and desirability of attaining higher level of employment. So agreed to sign the base pay for 2025, and this agreement is made on this day, the 20th day of February 2025, between the government of Ghana, represented by the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, Ministry of Labor, Jobs and Employment, and the Ministry of Finance of the one part, and organized labor comprising workers, unions, and institutions within the public service of Ghana of the other part. Whereas the parties negotiating as the Public Services Joint Standing Negotiating Committee have concluded negotiations for the defined salary structure base, it is agreed as follows. Terms of agreement that the base pay on the single spine salary structure has been increased by 10% across board from January 2020, January 2025, December 2025. In witness whereof the parties herein have said their names and hand this 20th day of February 2025, signed Engineer Benjamin Atta, Chief Executive, Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, an increase in the national daily minimum wage by 10% over the 2024 national daily minimum wage, which translates into a new national daily minimum wage of 19.97 Ghana cedis. The effective date for the implementation of the 2025 minimum wage shall be 1st of March 2025.
Enwachi ena Ghana man pene bema oboada John Dramani Mahama ekasa ye chirimu say se se yeke se de omaga na munyina da minimum wage no efiri na eko eye 19.97 pesos na se de aka pesos no anase pesos no makom yensa pe na ye 20 efiri na eko monja ne so Ghana man pani asan ka se ekiremu se akatiantum de bibele nam kwaso eba nanso Ghana sikasem abade da etwa mu wo mu di Ghana sika nyina ma ne ka de dompe enti oba ye ka prem montoma no ento jemse munya abotra no nu so mfa ntwe ope na Ghana economy esoja ne naso so Ghana adwumayefo mo bete ne nka.
Comrades, you know we are your natural allies and we've worked together for many years. One thing that is a cardinal principle for us is to tell the truth at all times. We all knew the economy was in crisis, but some of the things I'm discovering myself, I mean, it's been a criminal handling of our economy. And Ghana is a crime scene, actually, because how a government can have been so reckless, I cannot understand. But we're faced with a reality, and our options are very few. We can behave like the ostrich and hide our heads in the sand and let the economy crash. But then what effect would it have on Ghanaian households and everybody? And so I've told him, I said, cut expenditure as much as you like. Even we ourselves in Office of Government Machinery, cut as much of our budget as you like, because we all must make those sacrifices. A certain distrust of the political class has arisen, because it's like when everybody else is tightening their belts, the political class is loosening its belts. But I want to assure you that we're all going to tighten our belts, and there will be no wasteful expenditure. It is said that we create and share, and so let's start cooking the meal now, so that we can share when we have created. But right now, the meal is not only insufficient, the cooking pot is even leaking.
Any awoti ye Ghana man penny John Dramani man ochirem sene Ghana sikasam to ano apai se to enti ahwechire pe wo mani mu no dinti adwumayefo no munum so fanton wo pe na sabe aboa wansena wanya hwe kura mpo posa ne nsem de manyan munsum ne de akire no eson pa
Yanto akase bone so na civil and local government staff association Ghana for asho strike na se ende ojefo bo so me ne de to so aduonu wa mpim dum mienu ni aduonu num ni mo chese ade aban da so gina mo nan so se Sammy Adwoa twa fa ne so na me register of birth and death no enya ade a omo beyi no afri ho na emo me ade aban e be sho mo bo se obebo mode anu watimi ayi Adwoa twa ye fre na emo mo chese ne ekona still na ade a Sammy Adwoa twa ada so office on ma na chese enya ade a aban edi ni bo chese na chese na ada ana aban no ada omte ade omo ho kwan bia se beko strike no emo me ade abaya baby so mo senyina so pempa na mo wontanu nti no mo pesa mo nko strike esan se civil and local government staff association Ghana for 8 me man na so papa bia enfema abai no na ye wisdom jan ekoye birth and death registry hono ma nsemo otimika ya ne se me de ba ma be document hu hia na me de aba na sese ya ne de ye nyina ye ko strike na emo ma ya de a omu hu ne sese ne aban no atimi afọ obi so no na me ye register no ohu ne se ya de omo ye amanyo se me pan san so no de onti bi da so obi ye be for obi a na ka ye promotion na emom se ne aban ye ne de ase ya de a wakwa akofa nipa no e de free amanyo se mu nti strike ndi omo wo ho kwan bia se ombetimi akọ
so bad. You say, my website almost 7 months. Maybe I remember I'm some print. Maybe I'm some print. It's DLFM 106.9. And it's a Africa by
now, who's bringing the ever happen?
I break my
wow. And this is our almost like no better. Assembly now work at your buyer now, BBA, as I ever back. Now, wouldn't they tell more strike?
You need me by the route to Mount but we always say more issue being that I'm on cost strike. But the reason why I'm cost strike. See, if so, I'm cost strike. So, I can't tell you, yeah. We have to say, yeah, I'm cost strike, and as I say, it's waiting now for kind of feature about I'm cost strike, and so it's a fair super.
It was a dog for your own pass.
Let me having there 2 weeks time, almost 7 months time. Yeah, you saw me.
Eni ya wuti ye wisdom jan le krakrem na labor consultant Austin Game beka se civil and local government staff association Ghana no omumbo modia no mun challenge aban ye person se ba se wasiyen fo bi adwuma wa birth and death registry hono ma omo wo ho kwan na emo mo de wa ready pa se obetai omachi
Well, two things can happen. One, everybody should go to work tomorrow. Then the leadership of COSAG has every legitimate right to petition the presidency or through his Minister of Labour and or through the Labour Commission or even the head of the civil service and let them engage. Let them engage. Nobody is dying. Nobody is dying because somebody at unfortunately deaf and BEV registry has either been employed or not. Nobody among the 70,000 people is to die, is to suffer any consequence as a result of this. They should go back to everybody, including COSAG people, to go to work. And then tomorrow, they should write their petition to the appropriate quarters. And me, I'm prepared to join them to fight this case if they have anything to show that the employer, which is government, has no right to employ.
And near Uti, a labor consultant, Austin Gambi.
Yan to a cast, a bonus of an inventory of my Ghana one in yen sense, moon. Namika say, a end gas, on a bomb, my day, 80 Emma, my Ghana jam from ma, and ye impeniform ye Juma, I will vote authority for. One more money to me surprise on my guys, 80 minutes be. Edigo Mufidi on my Ghana and Sanyam Caniano, ye Timmy more man, ye to me son can ye them say, may who to me trying. What more can say to me say? A cap pump in for the Mokrum has say no. And what the pan is sent, Yakwa Yademono. One woman to me so, and no man Yajuma if we say. A kaya de, dear pan as Sabia Mufanya Juma, almost also Juma dio Mutino, or Mutiakao. And December 4 Matina Mangandem, no Madia Kwajijam Frama, Eddie free and gas of one chain. Namuntia dea, Moancasa, a Quamba Faso Menya Jam Frama, Eddie Abo Men Yanam Caniano. Mancasa Munsimun Kunya. And Peniford Crata, a managing the letter, Edma Vota River Authority, a one no brother Charmaine. Now your Jeffobos made a tosso a year to watch, and I want to say, a free neck can go poya doma, a year of Benim Bossame, March a Bossamano, Neda Tossins, Ghana and the Abaya found with the antique. Or much let me say you found with the dano, or met your papa beverly say, red card upon better the actual Ukrainian Kuma, while he bedding the sumo if we say, a cow man yet ye, identity. And a debiada and Peniford Tenase, Mobe you see jam from Adia power electricity, Mobe Yankania dem, Munkotiaka Trinkai, ECG Fonso, Moji Janam Kania to it, Moji Jivia, Sicano, Mode Yaday, and Peniford each them say, and gas for the Sabby, almost a moya Paulus in Panaba, or Muntumin Trasin Yajuma on my Bokanti. Every neko, don't 10 times, and go poya dom, no Benem Bossame, Neda Tosswins Yadupe, Nessican Peniford Tobidia, don't 10 times, Ghana for, Dantua, Yasema. They say, make a Ghana for the one I can search them. We say, yeah, and I say, Yasuba, she be a every say, Dumza say, a Papa Ghana for you, my begu, Nasa Jumayako and gas, let me say. Yamma Nian says, Moon, so every say, Yanko Poyatom, no Benum Bossame, net that tosses yadu. Nasa Perivon could yank a Canada, Montumana, Dumza, eh, Move says, you. When in small doa, a free and gas and penny for Chayaba, anyway, Yadamunchemo, Esomo.
Yantua Kasiabone so na foreign affairs minister Samuel Kwadwo Sammy Edensem abeto adwuma ye form ye adwuma e wo ye passport office omomboabo mo ho san say emra mudi ye adwuma na yade abekọ nanim ye pan say omobekọ shift ya nopa awia enumre ni ahomachimpo esan say 24-hour economy na yade omode ba be ye adwuma ye papa nti ende omomboabo mo ho ye pan e wa bra okasa wo ye passport headquarters eno wo ankran pupri mantama na say eyo omo be your passport na we say nka na watwe no mo nsa aka nti sise ni de omo be ye adwuma ni ye pa o che say omaye omagen so omo de ye chip embedded passport any ye integrated passport data any national identification authority system na ba sa ne be ya ombetimi a verify ye applicant no sa ne be ye adwuma no ebetimi akoso entente me san say ye foreign affairs ministry ni de omo pese omo fa abefo kwan so enfendi omo dwuma sa ne be ya impuntuo ebetimi aba a passport officer.
We want the passport administration in our country to become a 24-hour operation. So this year, you need to stand by and get ready, be preparing yourselves. We are going to be running 3 shifts so that we want to cut down on the waiting time for passports. I'm told that you've done quite well. You've come up to about 3 weeks to 4 weeks these days. But we believe that within a week, it should be possible to get a Ghanaian passport when you apply for it. And the 24-hour intervention we are making will address that. Then we are also of the view that we need to get more modernized and do away with the frustration that the general public has been complaining about. So those who will be coming for renewals, you already have their details in your system, you have their biometrics and all of that. You should be able to apply online and get your passports delivered to you.
Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa.
Yen twaka samosenko PME. Masibe jeno jinamo ede makwetia Enes ya okumi endrada ekwayire sesra ejeta masibe dwam. Sise masibe dwani tia kwanwam se ohuanse ye ne de bench warrant de abase opening na ote he ye den efri se emra motu abawie ye pe ena opening po no kopribi ekopre masibe dwa kwanwa wendi samaye kodi mu etebra semi ekopie mu okofodua high court kire mu se dabi sise de electoral commission case wedi nkondem no omonyi ntumti ebeya ontumi fa ho nkoso masibe dwani nanso opening ni didi NS ya okumi antiase do ko masibe dwam ewa ma na omusai ono so kwaji tumu bia make se no masibe dwofo kwa asetena ofrafrem etimu bi enda do ati wale hu so mo de bench wallet na ba se opening na sesi a no be nden brane yemfo ankotum every say enda da kofodi high court ekwa asetena kire so opening no abum na so nti ankomra no mo fo ntum kakra se ni anko ne send mo maden epeja bench wallet na de ko masibe dwam se omofa anko fa na fa ni ko chef ya se na make se no eya yaw NS kumi abomaden etimi afare ensam ni bi otim to de akwa appeal court 20 make say no a stay of execution tinya de a sa bench warrant no ebe ya adwuma bio na mom endrata enya semukuma deputy minority chief whip Jali Ahmed Sharp echiremu se sa na motu pa kofodua high court ni tu ya no judge no wasapa pefri se onim de nti oya bias sa openi pa na sama banka transnedi ni we de ubu ati anti said ye coin nyame nim de kure ni o kirema antwa ye kura.
A contempt matter is a quasi-criminal matter claiming that the lawyer should have filed an appearance when somebody came to you earlier. You allow the person to open the phone to give you details of a certain WhatsApp or a certain publication, but a lawyer comes to stand in for a client in a contempt matter. You are asking the lawyer to file an appearance in a quasi-criminal matter. Hey, Justice Senor Amedehe. At this stage, let me state further that legal steps have been taken. A notice of appeal has been filed against the ruling of the High Court at the Court of Appeal. An application for stay of execution pending appeal has also been filed at the High Court, number 3, Koforidua. Moreover, all the parties to the certiorari and prohibition application, including the judge, His Lordship Justice Emmanuel Senor Amedehe, who is the respondent to this application before the Supreme Court, have been duly served. Further legal steps will be taken, and the minority caucus in Parliament will address the Ghanaian public on the way.
Deputy Minority Chief Whip, Jali Ahmed Sharp and our tenant kan yen to aka sebo senko piemo ewa piemantemum na de shomo wa dakwa eye mensrin ba kwa so piemantemum chire mi se ye suku dan pa mo fretenemu esia de na koye wo fidie ni senti de dro yi de Ghana mpanifo wonum ehia mo apam ade hye bomoden ene de el kasebo ya mani boni ane den ede Emmanuel nya akodwetwe nkomo na hu chire mi se ensem bi ha papa every say wonu matumi atenase ede adesre ede ato Ghana banim ene ya nkwankwa mo ka bie wo mu nyina anim nanso ankosi aga meka se ne mofra no omuko suku a eda no suku da nyina windows nyina tutu chese ba munye babi mpo ena wonu matena na ba wonu maden ene asememba ede ma dakwa electoral na den de honorable Edmond bedi akokasa na otirem se ye o maye de ombe ye bia chese ne adesre mbesre no masre ela su la bia so mo ye o maye nanso nya de ampanifo ete wonom Honorable Edmond bedi akuchiremu se baby adroi de Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama ensagu nsayem enji wo so ahodo Ghana nkwankra mamusem memro awo no afiri se the school na dan na hye no so mamu bedu baby no wanhwe na mofra no mpo esua na dan ebudegu amoso o jem se nsu oto a ese mofra no pon ko fiefiri se de dan na hye no akwakoye ogwa fidie o jem na esem twene Emmanuel ɔsɛ nya akototwe nkɔmɔ ne sɛ mu nkyerɛ mu no enie
Yefemi Honorable Bediakon Edmond Adakwa ahaya na me Adakwa assembly member na be bebre ni no niema bebre wa ha ho akwatwe wa ha ene se ya mofra no sukuu kɔ no nwa ye dia man pa isane se yehwe sukuu dan wa ha ye be 7 years ago na from akase bi boy ene ma esututu ye up to now ya follow up sa abemu any NGOs ya kom so sa sanka omo be ya mboa na mo fancy school dan na man nanso ya pem sa so intimi nya mboa e papa bia emfiri mu ye eno tuno o hwe school dan na ni nyina ebubu nchensin dan mu na omote be se ankra bia e kana koma se obesi school dan man no Oman no so ya krado say ye ahoden beta echi na yesi osha blocks ego yi oman na etwa say ye pese ye fa esi school dan
eni a woti ye ukopie mu e wadakwa electoral no ene ya assembly member ede mahwanom na ede the honorable Edmond Bediakon eno achi nso ana sukuufo achi achirefo yi bi nso jemre na oni ensem twene Emmanuel a osenya akototwe kra mu chire me se ye bobe na sukuu se de aye pa se Ghana panin bi batim ko school a entiko ne beje ho ana
senior wo hu no on say ye ni school dan into at times say we tried na say in school ba e was say we dem pause to say in soon be coffee man as in soon be dan at times so o tried this say you hu say in soon e ba no anu betima e den e ma ye pon school at times it me pon school 11 o'clock 12 am in the long run and I think so the real ones say we classrooms no ngwan ni ponchiti me ba class oben ni gu onum adebe chin na e wosan kra no fa won sa ene ne kan aya na emboa
coming they have
eni a woti ye aya cheche fa mo kira de e wadakwa eye aban school nom ena mu twa ajadwe eno achi ena school for mo fa ne bi so e de nsem sei e de tuja
yes kuna na ngata imbiano na e ha yen su an supa wan su mula na ya ponso dan no nkanje dan no so na wo so na ngasa yi yes esa ben be bwa na yesi fufuro na ya kwa esu ya aden
Adwoa kwa vese mere tu meni mi say me ko mi din dia liba wana mi ko school Adwoa Methodist yes school e wo mi say school de ba yes school de bubu chese obi da kra na chese obi fie ni akwa hai na chese e ton mi disuade na e pese e boy esremu mo be boy na mo si school dan from my ise su to I ho kire chese e ho kire ankaza baby e be nya tre nya desk nya books e no pe na chese e pe e wo mo nsa no with me we my ni beji pa ni beji mu
in school dan e asekra nti se ye besia dia na tinsu ba gise omunyina ja edusuane yakoshe asori dan ni mansa se insunity ane yakoshe class wansa na esuade
wei eye school for mofra wonu wadakwa ni suo pa net na bra Facebook no so DLFM 106 pona ye videos ne pictures na guso so wa ma hwe school eye kan enya de a obehunu da bra behwe o school dan asabe nipa ba etim esuade enti wei Ghana for mpanimfo bi matimu bi anko mbepe ye awre ho behwe school a wo mani bitimo esuade na no achi awofo ne bi nso eje mre ene di yakase ebo twetwe nkomo
that's ye di kan da adwuma pa moye amode moa ebre adakwa man ti era masepa nyame shiram ne di kan ye frame ata driver no adakwa so adakwa e kra mo betra so kra ye a kire kwala de kra bodo ye ne bi enti se obi wo emwa bi opese o de bo adakwa man GHS fo a nyame be de ebe bo adepa
ni makoka ya de bo afu se ansese that de je kasa ho no ye ndisi nti no mon kasa ho ya discan ba no awaje adi nti kwashe wankasa ko fawani kwashe na hwese mo practice krom ha na school ni ha nti ebinum fi ha ko twi school
eni a woti ye aya wo fa wonom wo adakwa sehum ni patem ena wonom ete wonom kan na ba Facebook no so DLFM 106 pana video na to so ba benya bi na watimi abahwe school said ya sabe enipa ma etim esua de ama no boyi yensem twere ni Emmanuel osenya kon and the best me die ya ho ya back as body aka achi no ya back kan ni nada e de asomo
Makwentu ohunsam eye medadwen nanso meyensam tronenti menya daje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya brani adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana mehu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madanse die nie mamini ntreo Sunday Sam's consult edi britia wabi ebeje wo visa amawo se wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradie, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho a work permit etechere. Ma menchire wo mo echere kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier, Asofan, our Ben Wise Park Hotel, ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti, we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen, frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse media
106.9
Yama mo akwaba yenke ka Ghana fo adwenkyere ni bie we ye action boy ATM no kyerɛ mi sɛ ohwɛ live e de frɛ nya na wo kyerɛ mi sɛ atamen side wo kyerɛ kase bɔde de emu oda pasa no manam mo si Kwadwo na afi nso eye sikapa momo adwumaden ye da se pa Richard ahwɛ no kyerɛ mi sɛ guda o kyerɛ ye sɛ ohwɛ live e de free eye great station kase bɔ no emu oda panti Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy woni Adwoa Agyei Sikapa ene Kwadwo Thursday momo adwumade no tayachi kase bɔ no nam DJ Ghana man fidie ni so ewo Enquiries station DLFM and sine yenso ya dase Kofi Parliament o kyerɛ mi sɛ taxpayers in Ghana are our problems getting to you Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy na afi so Adwoa Agyei Sikapa here live edi free Bobby Kuma apa ya dase pa Asante Joseph o kyerɛ mi sɛ Asante one from Eye Boga Zare DLFM news wow emu de pasa no man o si school down de ye bad kra ya dase Ghana ni ye ba won chen sofa na min sofa asema da hwani ada kwa matadi school no aye wo afidie ema mofra no e super na so bepem ne de atia nete ye ntwema ni mpanwu anse yakwati foforo na asa mofra no munya school kwatena fie asem se Ghana ni wote a usem sen 0534050199 0534050199 0593406565 na ba hwe eye pictures no Facebook no so wa we be hwe school pa mofra etim esuade atete pa betum do adwen kire no ede aba ede na wana monye omunya ne sa na mofra no ngum sa pani bi ba wo mu a kasa na beko majo ahwa fodi no bia kasa free na hima me yentio
na energy and school dan a ewo so ma na mu no nkofo da achi nkofo ye di fo no ya o omomu awo
yo
na fa wo sense aba no Australia as a senior lady
yo
ye you got some idea na me pese me dan after
why are there panty several wotie panty de okan nyina egu na sum why ya benchira won so pa se won so woje mre na woni yen ekasa ye won so betundu adwenkyere no ede aba 0534050199 penifo ne mane de dodo na ko school amano ntie mofra ne de ne se bi owu afidie mpo a aya na ntan hia won sa hello majo
wo fa kwanso
kwanso
wo fa kwanso
mesi akwanso a
wo fa kwanso
me fa fo me na ba ye kasa ma yenko manjo
we de mesrem penyifo na Adwoa titis ne ye papa John Dramani Mahama president say me koto dwegu fom onta ne no fan hwe nkwase schools no onta ne no hwe na ti evi say tentiri mbei so no that bi omuso no betina so Ghana mu ama na yeyi me slow mo pa
yo
say se be shepa na se bi se be koso dia enye yi wodi enkotodwe egu fom me sere ne pa ni die mu
yo yes ya da se pa hello majo
hello fa so
odi shebe na misaka na numere
Bacha ofafu na ne kata yo mitemu wa berikuma outside
senior man na numere ma yentio
ofa we dey simple on be solve no simple we hu aban vi ta kakrakaro o mu ton ba ko be sini simple
better
eno ane no
better me say fu nya nhyira bebiri hello majo
Nhyiraba.
Sa Kwadwo Tama committee 11 ma yentio.
Adwoa.
Meju so senior.
Moni adwuma.
Ya da se.
Won say yempanifo no. Obi aba nko school ho. Enso no akwala no ko school ho no. Obenyi abeye mampani. Ana obenyi abeye mrashe bidwani. Ne maame akwala no ko school na ebu omuso no. Omo maame ni omo papa no. Ene ko po aba. Ansa na yedi mrashe bedwafo ne omampani. Enso omo nhwe eho no mo emwa wom. Ghana for the bia me kan yempanifo no omo ndwen ya ho.
Meso me da se pa sa Kwadwo yamra ne kopa ne senti ye de kasebo no ebu nu kom se pon afrefer mo fa nche me vizemre no e de anim kan ye pa kasebo mu semufo ye maze mebel entwene sem e de ma yen DJ ma de kopie mu e wo Facebook no so akenkan fo nso ye mienu e di ameje so ye takwa de kodwokrom twabe wo de hye kronkrom ala dwene pon Kwadwo Vasday Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes also ama Apakan jeti watenase na kopama so nsem no ode atoa so dia so ne se okasa fudie no enkosanda DLFM 106.9 mu nyina mo ene tia adehye
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawom dedew DL Power Sports emu ade ejawom dedew DL Power Sports emu ade ejawom dedew
Abusia na nyumre ma yansama wadwo ensama wakwaba emfamra enkrampumpuni mantam agiatum kasafidie kase ba kopesu deal ohani nsia echiripo enkon ene yawada anyumremre redu se agudie momrante yetena se na agudie mo nsama wodo ayakwa kope ede akomasamufo wagibre atena se wawu so asone so nteberi nyina wayefim ni akaidi osiemu odu otiefu editie sa wote ohwefu edihwe sa ohwe ena yen okafo nso no edi kasa yaka ena na anyumre yatena se yede bro agudie mo nsama di adane di ade ncheche bufumpa ewo Ghana ha ebibreme ne broni kroso ya turi din DL Power Sports ena ndanyumre yede babesoma wo DL 106.9 baby bia obia yama wadwo ema wakwaba ne yentena na yamfa DL Power Sports update enanyumre yamfa embesoma yetena sedia na wawu nse dwumakuo bia daroma ena omodi omusika so ye musa nanyumre yamfa gudie mo nsamona mfa mbesmo enti aseda kese aseda chenchirenchi aseda modu no enkomfa dwumakuo a ya from Lumba ensupa ene obepie mo Ghana ahweye ye asoya eye nhwehwemu edifa nyama yedi ene ne ayenom ye from Food and Drugs Authority oma ye nhwehwemu age atum se obepie mo Ghana ende insu aba emu ya kroje na onom ne raw ni paduanum a ebe ni paduanum adwuma ye no eye Lumba ensupa unim se ni padua no contain 70% of water sa 70% no mani nyina enye Lumba ensupa enti na nyume utie me efiefie mo Lumba ensupa no na mononom mo amotontonso traffic mu for provision store water depot awodo ene cars na motonso no mo nyina Lumba ensupa no ana monton jumedie bia wodi efitie yie ekosi wedding outdoor jumedie bia wodi bia no fa Lumba ensupa no serve wa ho ene nsu ayanom de mema menkasa mbre no a ene Lumba ensupa bobode a na jibi na fedi udwuma na bibia ebe fine kama ede amao mo dansuma ne mpatem no mate dende Madam Abanyameche ewa P2 Lane oben Lumba Sport no dansuma ne mpatem for monfre no 0557 349 401 0557 349 401 monfre no mobenya Lumba ensupa ne bi ato mo dansuma ne mpatem ofankofo no ene amasama ne mpatem no monso monfre Mama Vic ende mu benya bi ato na kache number mo de be frɛ Mama Vic no 0500 680 783 0500 680 783 Lumba ensupa no pe bi ato a obepiem DLFM ya kache ya won kran agbogwa janhye ne Wisconsin International University no na edi animhwe obenya bi ato ewo nyakache frɛ numbers we be bia wo bia empenfo de bibegu hyen mu na ya be di ama na wo de edi udwuma 0555 274757 0555 274757 and 0577475343 Lumba super kite mu ma na nwumre ye di DL Power Sports update no e de ababesmo ebusia from afar kwame afum etayechire ye de ensam no eba na afensu be piem ofidie mu DJ Omarion ene o produce dwumade no ma ye de aba Facebook ye da live DLFM 106.9 DLFM 106.9 Facebook urema obenya dwumade ni bi nso atumi ahwe wo kama na bibia aye fine me amede nsam no eba no edi ameje so no eya yensu ano de hye Apakan GH the blessed kiyentie we ba yebesi fam na ye de nsam no ede amawo enne anwumre
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti
ende anwumre ntantam so yanka jagum ne yamfa nsam no amfa ngufam amfa mawdia ende we no eyewanim sam wo bepiem awo Ghana ha dano ada Ghana Premier League match day 19 game ena bobo kwa efe ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko era nso atre se omoni nso ateman kwa kobo ewiachi no na football no adani football emande ye de sekan awo yenua ye fere na Napoli ekuni yaya ema me no kasa brante no atoa nananom ewo nse do aya yorosema be na wotwemiense kobo so ni de agudie mufo eno a ene yetena se ye di wunkomo enso ewo na ndram ukopiem ewo mrahye bedwuma mufo ne tena se no na omudidi nkomo na Honorable Mahama Ayarga a member of parliament Erema Boko Central and afensu remo ewo mrahye bedwuma domdodo no ono na odawma no na wo football sense mu no na odi tudwa se emra NDC amanyoko no epe abenwa no ababetena so no mo de to Ghana fo anim se omoba de ba kwombe ye no 24 hours economy na ebe run 24 hours a Ghana fo mo na mo be ye adwuma ma ebe funu na o se 24 hour economy no sa strategy na NDC di aba no football ebe major enabler 24 hour economy no se na ebe ya local league no ebe tumi agira ne na so na bibia koye o se akakakra 24 hour economy na omode ba be wura football ebe ma Ghana football no agira ne na so to the level say European football no kra Ghana football ebe tumi atu no
with the 24 hour economy strategy. Football is going to be a major enabler of the 24-hour economy. And very soon we'll see it. Very soon, our local league will replace the European leagues.
Honorable Mama Yaragan somebody to John because of 24 hours economy in Tirepedu baby no. And then Ghana League in a crab to me to a man on a dear no. And I want to think, okay, Omarion say, hey, Omarion, TM, Ashen, and so on. Now, Honorable Mama Yarga Twan Samson, and I ordered to your HMA Sports and Recreation Minister. I have friend Honorable Kofi Adamson, or the Atu Ono Mama Yarga Enim, say, was 30 year meetings, on the media, no, Asia didn't come a quiet on Befaso, a project sports, El Ghana, Narona Sports Minister, Honorable Kofi Adams, Akachono Honorable Mama Yarga say, One international broadcasters be to say super sports editing komasana be ya ombe tumi abetwa Ghana League no ombe twa Ghana League na ebe boa ma omwe wa ma no ne South Africa ne ade no omenya Ghana League no etumi ahwe ba ne sanso a teams I was South Africa ne ade no ombe tuma scout talent e de fi en Ghana League no emoma kosia kan players ni unsa na ebe show mu nkuran se na ebe ya ombe ka so ye ye woni ye bo a ye betuma nya akwanya kopin wa South Africa etumi akwa kosia kan ewo no.
The minister is already holding meetings with the media to see how we can project sports. Indeed, he has revealed to me that he is looking to negotiate for super sports and others to begin to cover our local leagues. Because, Mr. Speaker, when the local leagues are covered by super sports, what it means is that people sitting in South Africa can see our boys playing, our boys and girls playing. And from South Africa, they can begin to identify and come and scout for those people. So the footballers themselves, when they see that their tournaments are covered on Super Sports, they know that a global platform is being provided them to showcase their skills so that scouts all over the world can view and then come and try and then recruit them to their various countries. And also,
Honorable Mahama Ayarga, Member of Parliament, Erima Boku Central, Sanso, and our Remo Ghana Mrashe Bejuma, Edom Dono, Ono, and Oya Penio Daumano, Ninka, and our tia, twice some sodia, Yeda Sujina, and Mrashe Bejumua, Honorable Mensa Wisdom Kwabna, Wyoming, a Member of Parliament, Erima South Tongu constituency, now formerly no Parliamentary Select Committee on Youth and Sports, no, now Okambi, or say in Dra. Honorable Sammy Adwoa Pimnof omo MP ede nsembi to dwa se tutura samne rukasama ekoso ewe stadium no ebi wa ye bebo na bo so bi atwitwa bi enti mra bo ne koso na fe na ntwitwa bi no afa no obo na bibi kakra bi na ne buafu na ne kuma abasoro na atutura sam oye enti drinking sport etwa ye match venues no wahia no yama ye nkon eno na Honorable Mensa Wisdom kobra we mi echirima sa sem na Honorable Sammy Adwoa ekanon Kamia so ne na adwe no edifa kakra nhyeda ne nya adwe bebre essence Ghana na mra wa se wonom nsana you must drink responsibly na memfanye tutura se wode tutura se ma wa wonim se mra no ene ubedi na mom no okopiem ewa manone a ye wo alcoholic beverages awodo a almost sponsor teams sponsor football competition awodo ntia no de enka hwe na mom no asem na Honorable Sammy Adwoa kan still na no se ye factors bia ye betumi de tutu hooliganism ase say yama ye ni kon na drinking sport yetumi hwe anyama omontonton ni ade se de be ye beboa na se uruka sem ekoso won ya agropama so no eto ebetwa.
Myself, I think so myself, because I mean, when you are drinking, you must also know that you have a responsibility. Because when you drink and go misbehave, the law catches up on you. I mean, you can't drink and hide in that state and be misbehaved and think that the law will not take care of you. So that one, I don't think it's tenable. Otherwise, look, I mean, we have Jimmy Budweiser and all that sponsoring the English League and all that. And they will not do that for nothing. Definitely, they may give them some room to have some pubs and things around where, I mean, carefully, there will be measures put together to ensure that maybe you don't go in, intoxicated to go and misbehave and so on and so forth. I think we need to, that's why I was saying that when it comes to legislation, all of these will be taken into consideration.
Honorable Mensa Wisdom Kwabna Wyoming Etwanen Samsono and I say Sports and Recreation Minister. I have friend Honorable Kofi Adams of Ebanabaso, na Ghana Football Association sono, Wabo Mabaso sa Sammy Siano, Omodi Omanai SC from the Shishebi, Edia Gua Kwamsana Bea, Euruka Samia to Trasama Koso, Ewanya go from Asono, Etu Ebekanemono, Omon Fanya Mebin Tua Ebabroni Omuye so, Ebit is all called mind bit to say Ingresi, Abroach Memomaya Mradi Atwo, Eddie Amomo Sports no football no, say Obago Pramaso and baby idea goodie, now be able to trust some Samrano, and you be the Ebeya GFN no, and a sports minister Moma when in corner when you Bibisa or Ghana, near Yam Rebia Beg guiding a goodie no, and to Obago Pramabi so now be able to trust some Namrana so mu Kabo, Namrano anyway.
And for me, I think I want to congratulate the minister and then the GFA for them to put together some measures and all that. But I also want to suggest that they go beyond that. If they go beyond that means that they should begin to look at the best practices. In fact, in the English game, they have a dedicated law for the industry, tailored for the industry. So it takes holistically at everybody to role that he or she ought to play, and where somebody is found culpable, the appropriate sanctions criminally and all that. So we have a hooliganism law that we think we can begin to look at having similar here. And then we can use such shows as what we are doing today.
Honorable Mensa Wisdom Kwabna Woyomi MP Edema South Tongu constituency and Watenenka na asem yi si emra ye nua na Napoli enya ni baby koye no na ya hwe ani mase Ghana Football Association president aye frɛ no Kurt Yeso Kreko ebetumi akopie makoma kotokofo hyeden na wakoma busuan so hyeden na mom no ene na Kurt Okreko eni Ghana wababedu na ne ofa flight ekopie mokumase ekopie busuafie ekoma busuan ne yakɔ emom hyeden na owie no ena nsentwefo ye twen ye microphones ene ye recorders awodo di kogina nanim say Kurt asem yi si ebe na otwe miense kwobusum ni o na yesu awie kura na ene yadwuna yie no no afa na wo ba aba me ma hyede ana na osi o asem ni si no na mini Ghana me wa manone na manone na me won nya se me ye campaign for CAF Esco no ana se me ye bibi foforo na mom no na me ye adwuma e de ma GFA e na afen so ma pomuden me kohwe won kakra enti na munhu me ye na ne na me ho adodo me kakra matumi aba enti enya boapayo e na me ye ma adwen se da bida me ma na mom no emra me ni wokra GFA no e de ne nansi wetu anamon bia one kotokoni stakeholders ni nyina e na tu sa anamon na e ya anamon pa e be boa na sade we e bi nsi biem
to visit the bereaved family of a brother, a colleague, a friend, a father, Napoli. We all know what happened during the game between Kotoko and Instrateman a few days ago. When the said incident happened, I was out of jurisdiction not to campaign for a slot on the CAF Executive Committee. Again, not to campaign on a slot on the CAF Executive Committee, but to work for the FA and to attend to my medical needs. However, every act of the FA was under my command. We all know the FA acted immediately.
Kurt Yeso Kreko twane samso ana odi tuja echema o si we na nya de papa kura se obi kwhwe ball na nipa ne behwene ne nkwa dabida ensisen kesi and unfortunately sadie we etumi asim na obi bia we ne ensisen ye pese minkuminya enti wo a wadanfo ne sa nipa na o de sika ne wo ye nua na Napoli no animanim ya manya pese minkuminya baby abrantie ana babawa no di se uruka asem ne wo no yinima na emrani nso ne mu ene ni ndie sanse sadie we a waye de se o sha munam o hye tokrom o hye buo mu mpa kwan bia so emrani behwe na emrani so ne mu na emrani na di na wo a wadanfo ne sa nipa no otufo ebe ya animanim ya yi sa nipa ne ma na emrani no ene nipa no endi.
It is not good enough when one single soul is lost. Neither is it good enough for one of us to be selfish. What do I mean by this? When that singular act happened in Instrateman or Instratre, there was a human being with that person who used the knife or whatever it is to take the life of the Napoli. That person must be honest. That person who was the killer must be honest and come out to tell us where the killer is. If that person is honest, if that person loves life, if that person loves football, this is the time for that person to be honest to football by telling us where that killer is. Because wherever that killer is, we will chase he or she out of their hiding place or his hiding place and bring him or her to justice.
Kurt Yeso Kreko Ghana Football Association president ena watene nkano Mr. George Akwesi Afriye former vice president Edema GFA na onim say na say beto dwa say Kurt Yeso Kreko person running for third term as GFA president eno na yebisa Mr. George Akwesi Afriye sansam no ene na mountain den no ka fa eno se ono as George Akwesi Afriye no on decide so be ko bi ma no nko na mom no omo football people de omo de omo na besi wo seketa na adwo so be ko tetem a ensida omo ma ne nko tetem ne e ma ne nko kire sanse wo yamra num se only 2 times pe ena ket okreku ebeko enti se waye na adwen so obeko tetem padia ene e chatewale nwom na ye friend forget no omona ontie ebi nsi da se omo football people ebetena se market okreku arane for tetem as GFA president George Akwesi Efrie.
No, but we'll make sure that he doesn't contest again. Said I'm going to contest. I'm saying that we'll make sure there is no third term. There was a reason why we opted for the second term in our statute. In the FIFA statute, a CAF statute, you can go 3 terms. In Ghana, we made a specific case. Why? People sharing the Zambian the president who has just won the third. But in Zambia statutes, it's 3 terms. And the man is going for a third term. But in our statute, it says 2 terms. When you change it, you that change it cannot benefit the subsequent person who will benefit. Point I'm making. But we interpret the laws of Ghana. Remember, there are FIFA CAF regulations, but the Supreme Land has its own law. Cannot bring FIFA and CAF regulations to that.
Mr. George Akwesi Efrie, a former vice president, Edema GFA, secret forget it. Tete mama unkondem coach na Prophet Kofi Oduro, aka Oye leader and founder Edema Alabaster International Ministry. Na ose special prosecutor Ora Kisie Jabin we do we awe pa. Nanzea na ose former finance minister Ken Oforiata wachino. Ene nyama bi no wahwe wani ma che. Se GFA no de omo nsem beba. Ope asoya eba no corruption dream ne sikedia ewo pa. GFA na wo ye hypocrite. Waka wano atum na GFA fo de waya wadwen se onye nhwehwemu bia emform na nyama bone omo ye wo no omfa mbetu dwana Ghana fo ose saade na wo ye ne de masa onya fair to Ghanaian se GFA wo no masa bone akos wo no anya bone ketwa.
Hypocrite in the highest order. The reason is because if you can do this to that former whatever, Ghana Football Association is the worst corrupt people. You people have never brought Ghana football to investigation. You have not been fair to this nation. People are wasting resources like this. You are the team who can win nothing except shame and disgrace. That is all they win. You are the team that for over 40 years we don't have anything to our credit, and you have administrators who cannot resign by themselves, and you have a special prosecutor.
Prophet Kofi Oduro, aka ose special prosecutor Kisie Jabin GFA wono masa boni akos wono bomode anewura wona fan hwehwemu bibra na baabi anena namne de e wo kra ya mre GFA wono masa enyama akos wono nyanyama ketwa. Mr. Wosenata ye FA Cup committee chairman na yebisane sende no autonomous league has ene kotokosi ya mono o kire wadwen afa wonsen autonomous league no yese ye mo ana ya ntwentwe ye na so kakra yentie Mr. Wosenata inya no de man efa autonomous league has ne kotokoso omope eno na ye mono
autonomy no memo de me some time ago I had a long chat with Kwame Banya and I had that chat because that virtually means say me team ya qualify every see any see your play and point try call me now. Jamie, my position on that on the model on send a UK for your B or I think I have a small problem with that. Maybe a coming on and Yanka say we need a company that can pay every club $500,000 a season. Now I run on that company no go and rent one stadia I pitches I do peso I have funny TV rights, have funny we. Now whatever running a league, you know. If you be better, you'll be surprised if we could get somebody who's there. And within 2-3 years, standard will be reasonable, you know, you're in a home club away. As you can see.
Ne krakra mo no na Mr. Wosenata chirima o Ghana football and say ne mo ade ba ko ne say marketing and branding ne yanye ni ye. Na senki ya brandi ya football ni ya marketing ya nka Ghana football ensesa na Ghana football na yesi ase ne still na no nkrofo ani gye enti ne ese ya ne se ya brand ni ya ni yesi ya ni ya already obeka se Ghana football no ensesa yesi na nkrofo eka no
Ghana football enye fusa Ghana football no it was serious appeal it was serious problem ni we've not been able to brand it properly and market it. That is our problem. We've not been able to brand it and market it. But the potential is still there. If NSC, if government support, because a training like TECO, like here in USC, like University of Ghana, like TVET here,
Honorable Wilson Atta, FA Cup Committee Chairman Watson and Kano. Yamfa Fianis Yamonito Wamanone, na Yamfansina DJ Hitman, Emetna Sinomfa Awosono, Embe Woso, so Mudia Enshas, Emfanfi Ebibrim CAF Champions League, quarter final draw. CAF Confederation Cup quarter final draw no to me ababetoga na say na tie CAF Champions League no quarter final draw no pen 4 year no say and akoye El Ali of Egypt and Al Hilal Omdurman a omofi Sudan na de bebo any big game by all standard. Pyramid F Egypt omoni AS as far as omofi Morocco and bebo Mamelodi Sundowns F South Africa omoni Esperance Sportive de Tunis omofi Tunisia na bebo and MC Alger F Algeria omoni Orlando Pirates of South Africa and edibebo any CAF Champions League quarter final draw no and yede atu enim Confederation Cup quarter final no say net here Stellenbosch South Africa omone Zamalek of Egypt and bebo Asec Mimosa Fiavicos omone Renaissance Sports de Bekani omofi Morocco and bebo CS Constantine fi Algeria omone USM Algiers of Algeria and bebo ntiweno Algerian Battle and baso and Al Mazri of Egypt and Simba Sporting Club of Tanzania and edibebo into CAF Confederation Cup quarter final draw no and di atu enimendram UEFA Champions League no knockout phase second leg in draw games eto Borussia Dortmund etna Fioma Shebi Sporting CP and so Shebi Paris Saint-Germain etna Fiche Stade Brestois boys ni team omo pepa from Brest ebo me kapolo in so moment me ante Real Madrid Man City and ani o me kamien so mo team ba kon and PSV Eindhoven Juventus bo me kapolo me ensa omo so team ba ko teams so far a qualify ko piemo round of 16 UEFA Champions League no say na Arsenal the Gunners ome piemo Aston Villa Atletico Madrid Borussia Dortmund FC Barcelona Bayern Munich Bobo kwa your friend Benfica Club Brugge Feyenoord Inter Milan Bayer Leverkusen Leo Metropole Liverpool Paris Saint-Germain PSV Eindhoven and Real Madrid officially 16 teams are round of 16 yede won somebody amount na UEFA Champions League player of the week akọ ede amount Real Madrid forwarder ofi oma your friend France friend Kylian Mbappe Lotendra obo hat-trick against Man City and ampenfo yinas player of the week yede won some amount team of the week ni senate Kasper Schmeichel bobo kwa your friend Celtic order atnem okwa ntenten obenya Nuno Mendes of PSG order benkuma femo nimfa femo ya Federico Valverde or Real Madrid 4 and 5 no Abrantia your friend Hanko or Feyenoord and Flamingo and so PSV Eindhoven o confirm obenya Vitinha PSG ona wenya Abrantia friend Coco Benfica and Jashri and so Club Brugge and so Lang anymore or bobo kwa your friend PSV Kylian Mbappe Real Madrid and Abrantia your friend Taubi and so Club Brugge way any UEFA team of the week and yede won some the amount yede sorry so kra no UEFA Europa League and a Conference League almost so knockout phase second leg toga Europa League me no ka say ya bosimano Adriana Enkron 49 minutes as Roma Shemienu FC Porto Atimubako Bodo Glimt 48 minutes Omo Shebi FC 20 Abo Mekaba Komun 20 47 minutes FC SB formerly Star Bucharesti Oma Shebakwa Pauk Thessaloniki 20 and Ayesi Akasima Adriana Insia 46 minutes Galatasaray Shebi AZ Akma Abo Mekaba Komun 20 Bono Ochia Ayas any Union Saint Gillois Ebebo Anderlecht any Fenerbahce Ebebo Jose Mourinho Timono and Afenso Real Sociedad any FC Midtjylland Ebebweni and a Victoria Prison and a Friend Virus and so Eddie Bebweni Conference League ne yaso so no yesi aka ne sima aduanan kron 49 minutes FC Haidiam enhyebi FC Copenhagen abo mekaba ko muntumenti Omonia Ljubljana enhyebi sanso na Burak Banja enhyebi first half no aba na wie yesi aka sima aduanan sia Pafos FC Ashemi no Omonia Nicosia entumenti sima no aduanan kron 49 Real Betis enhyebi sanso na Gent enhyebi abo na otwe a Apo Nicosia ene NK Surge ebebo ena afenso Jagalonia ene Brastock ebebo ni TSC Baka Topola omonsom ene Jagalonia Brastock ena edi ebebo ni ena afenso no Panathinaikos ene Vikinga Radvak enso ebebo ni na Shamrock Rovers ene Modi edi abo ni wo yamfansi na DJ Hitman emfa awoso no emfa entwaso emfa mamo na asida kese enkoma kwame efum from afar ota echire yede nsam ne bae DJ Omarion enso ede enko Facebook and YouTube ema munya bi ehwe na mia me bra penny Mr. Kofi Ayenu wabiem ku ha ewo ayensu ano so ata otie ma minchi a wene mpenfo ni nyina ewo one wife Sister Marion so Facebook ni padom ena mohwe yenchiechi amunyina zigbi ni oba amaso mu ame Sister Penny or US, yes, I think the US, Maminchiano, Kinkuta, any upon for nyina, Yenchia Munina, Mia Meden Samno, Ebayano, a dear major sono, a young swan of this year, Apakan GH, the blessed Kime, Anna Mede and Samno,